Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're talking about now is the new Millennium Energy Bars. Now, this is lemon flavored, and energy bars are not like regular energy bars, not just something you buy off the counter. I mean, you can, but just buy these off the counter to just eat real quick and go on with your day. These are bars that you would use in, say, a survival situation. These are made with a lot of calories and a lot of shelf life attached to them, so they last. Okay, what I was doing was I was trying to get together a survival kit for my family here in the house, just in case something happened, or I had a bag full of all kinds of survival stuff, blankets and radios, batteries and stuff. We needed food, and I got a few things in cans and stuff like that. I came across these, and this was right up that alley. It is really, really a necessary survival tool. Meal. This actually lasts, just this alone, actually lasts up to 5 years sealed like this. I mean, if you actually could touch this, it is sealed like incredibly, I brought several of these. It's amazing. This has over 400 calories in just this bar. 400 calories, that's a lot for this bar. That will keep you alive. That is everything your body needs right there. Yeah. Comes in 6 different flavors. It comes in orange. It comes in raspberry. It comes in cherry and tropical fruit, and lemon, of course. I say cherry? Yes, it comes in cherry also. Yeah. It will sustain you however long you need them. I mean, I bought several of these. I got about maybe 20 of them, Put them with the rest of the stuff, just in case, The thing is, they are a survival tool, and they are what they are, and I really didn't expect it, but I tried one, and it did not taste good at all. I mean, it's not gross or anything. You could eat it. You're not going to snack on this like it's a Snickers bar or something like that. You can tell it's survival food. It tastes kind of like something you would eat if you were in outer space or something, It's food that's supposed to last, so it's not going to have all that much flavor and stuff, I'm not sure about the ingredients. Not very chewy. It's kind of hard, crunchy. You kind of have to gnaw on it, kind of like a dog biting on like one of those hide bones, It will do the job, and it's not gross, okay? You can eat these and be okay and just get through it, I mean, I'm sure you've eaten foods that were just like, oh God, I mean, I didn't want to eat this, but I can eat it, that kind of stuff. So, but if you're trying to survive, who knows, if you're really super hungry and you need food, this might taste awesome, No, I actually tried one. I only ate like the first little bite I took off of it. It was just, it is what it is. It was okay, and I would eat it, but it didn't taste good. So don't expect these to taste good. Might be an acquired taste. Some people might like it. I don't know. But it has every essential thing you need in it to survive, as far as sustaining your body and what your body needs to keep going and, you know, keep strong. It has all that. 400. I mean, that's a lot in this little thing. So, yeah, and it has a lot of different flavors. So, and you can taste the flavoring. All right, well, that is the new Millennium Energy Bar, the lemon flavored one. Hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.